Get ready, Sistas fans. Season 9 is officially happening after a jaw-dropping Season 8 finale filled with unexpected betrayals, emotional revelations, and life-altering decisions. Tyler Perry's hit drama returns on July 16, 2025 at 9:00 p.m. Filming is set to kick off on March 24, 2025 in Atlanta, Georgia, which means the countdown to more drama, romance, and surprises has begun. But before diving into what's next, let's break down the biggest unanswered questions from the explosive Season 8 finale. Season 8 finale recapped the last episode of Sistas left fans with some huge unanswered questions, setting up Season 9 for even more drama. Andy's career in danger. With an FBI investigation looming over her regarding Gary's stabbing, Andy's legal career is at serious risk. Will she fight to clear her name, or will she lose everything? A secret relationship exposed. Opal's shocking revelation about her connection to Gary and Agent F turned everything upside down. What does this mean for her future? Dany's personal struggles as she faces new challenges. Dany is forced to seek support and guidance to navigate the chaos in her life. Rich's heartbreaking news. Learning that he cannot have children has put a serious strain on his relationship with Sabrina. Can they overcome this together, or will it tear them apart? Jealousy turns dangerous, fueled by rage over Tamara's involvement with Gary. Hayden confronts Gary in a tense final scene. But how will it all end? What's coming in Season 9? With Tyler Perry at the helm, Sistas has remained one of Bet's most watched and talked about dramas. Season 9 is expected to bring even deeper friendships, more shocking betrayals, and new unexpected twists. One exciting update is that Angela Bain, who plays Bam, was promoted to a series regular in Season 7, meaning we'll be seeing even more of her in Season 9. What role will she play in the unfolding drama? Mark your calendars and get ready for more drama, with the premiere set for July 16, 2025, and filming just about to begin. The wait for new episodes won't be too long. If Season 9 is anything like its predecessor, fans can expect heart-pounding drama, intense relationships, and some jaw-dropping surprises. Drop your predictions in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more updates.